This 3-minute wait extends your AC by 10 years. Dear friends, think turning your air conditioner off and back on immediately is harmless? It could actually shorten your AC's lifespan. Here's the simple habit every homeowner should know. After switching your AC off, always wait at least 3 minutes before turning it back on. Why? Because your AC compressor works under high pressure. When the unit stops, the pressure inside the system needs time to balance. If you restart the AC too quickly, the compressor has to work much harder. This creates extra strain, increases power consumption, and causes unnecessary wear. Over time, repeated hard starts can damage the compressor, the most expensive part of your air conditioner. That tiny 3-minute wait gives the refrigerant pressure time to equalize, allowing the compressor to start smoothly and safely. Many modern air conditioners have a built-in delay timer for this exact reason. But if yours doesn't, remember the rule yourself. This habit is especially important after a power outage or if someone accidentally switches the AC off and on repeatedly. It costs nothing, takes only 3 minutes, and can help reduce repair costs while improving your AC's efficiency and reliability. Small habits make a big difference. Treat your air conditioner with care, and it can keep your home cool for many years. Follow for more simple home maintenance tips that save money, improve efficiency, and help your appliances last longer. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer Ajay Lod's channel, How to Make My House.